Well, you work out over and over again, but the pounds just don't seem to come off.
Yeah, so is it your imagination, or does exercise help some people lose weight and maybe others not? Tonight, CBS 2 with the workout woe.
The more you work out, the more weight you'll lose, or so we've been told. But now, new research shows this equation doesn't actually work for everyone.
I was one of those people.
Indu Prasad says despite exercising regularly, he wasn't seeing results.
It's a little bit frustrating when you don't see the scale going down and you're doing more work.
Endocrinologist Dr. Mark Cornier is currently studying the effects of exercise on weight loss at the University of Colorado School of Medicine and says Prasad is not alone in his frustration.
It comes end of January, mid-February, and you look at yourself and you go, I haven't lost any weight. I'm very frustrated. This happens over and over again.
The reason this happens over and over again is something called the body's energy balance. Energy balance is the relationship between energy in, which are the calories you eat and drink, and energy out, the calories you burn.
There's a lot of controversy in terms of exercise as a weight loss tool.
Researchers have found most people only burn about 200 to 300 calories in a typical 30-minute exercise session. That's just not enough to make a difference in your weight, especially if you're accustomed to grabbing a post-workout sports drink, which can contain enough calories to negate all of your hard work. The bottom line, studies show, exercise alone cannot produce weight loss without a change in eating habits, especially eating fewer calories.
And I pretty much probably knew what the problem was.
Once Prasad started watching his sugar and carbohydrate intake, he says he finally started seeing results. And he's already lost 17 pounds.
It's mostly diet and portion control.
So doctors say that don't be discouraged. This doesn't mean exercise has no impact on body weight. If you want to lose weight, you need to burn more calories, and one way to do that is with aerobic exercise.